Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Her grandson left her abandoned in the street, but God did not abandon her. See all that this granny achieved. Her name is Elena and her grandson is a man from Santa Fe, who did not return to see her 4 months ago. She asks for Gustavo every day, Elana's TV told the Jordan, Florida home. A 91-year-old grandmother was left by her grandson at the Jordan, Florida to Parana home, located at Florencio Sanchez 823 Street in the San Agustin neighborhood. And for the past 4 months, he has not returned to see her or to supply her with medication. She's very well cared for, but abandoned by her grandson, who has not come to see her for 4 months and has not brought her the medication. We supply the medication because we cannot leave a person without all their attention. Raquel Marco Antonio, referring to Jordan Florida, assured LS TV. The grandson is the only one responsible for it, who is in charge of it, because the grandmother has her retirement and he is the agent to manage it. But unfortunately, this man does not appear. He did not take over her anymore, lamented the volunteer. The man who came to bring her is from Santa Fe, and if there is someone in charge who can take care of the lady, let him come over, he said. Marco Antonio emphasized the emotional need that the grandmother demands. She asks for Gustavo every day, he said. On the occasion, she rescued that on one occasion she confused her grandson with the son of other grandmothers staying at the home. She is lucid, but being 91-year-old, she has her silent moments due to her age, he said. It's fine thanks to the love of each of the girls who cares for them at home, she stressed. 4 months ago, his grandson agreed to make an arrangement in a law firm, to which we asked for help. But they were all lies. This person all he wanted was to transfer power to me, so that I could collect retirement until December, when he was going to carry, said Marco Antonio. According to the person in charge of the San Agustin neighborhood home, she did not accept, because she already had 3 people who were in the Children's Council. They were removed from the system, but they were not removed from the home, and we are in charge of them. We maintain them thanks to a pension, and in fact, one of the 3 young women is transplanted and takes her to Santa Fe for checkups, Marco Antonio explained. This is not a nursing home. It's a home that accommodates people of all ages, from 26 to 91 years, and with special needs, she said.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.